Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is going to be a video about backup page, and I've done a lot of videos. So when you brought in a clip art and you want to see if there's anything like that in, like the white background, and I just started putting videos on this laptop, and I just put the backup page. So I thought I'd show you, and I've shown this before, but I've found a little bit easier step. So go to Windows, or go to Tools, Customize, Commands, and Show All Objects, Show All Items. You'd have to really go through here to find it, and it's not under Backup Page. So while you're in the screen, if you go up to Object where the order is in Backup Page, it's going to bring it up right there. And it's actually to backup page, so you would have to look under the T's. So this is a quick and easy way to find things. Instead of scrolling through all this, just go to Object, Order, and then go to what you want to do, and it's going to bring this up. And then just, let's do that again. Then just drag it out with your left mouse button. And then before you do anything else, and I'm not going to save it here, but just move it up to here and drop it. And then once you've dropped it, you've got to hit OK. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it. But that's an easier way to find it when you're customizing your page so you could have this backup page. Because this is really cool. If you haven't seen the other videos, all you do is just draw a triangle, fill it in with yellow, and then click backup page. And it puts the yellow in the back so you can see on this clip art particularly that you've got all this white background. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.